Oh, hello YouTube. Welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll know when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm happy to have you back. Just always check and make sure that you are still subscribed to the channel if you've already subscribed. And welcome to those who are just watching and here to see an easy cooking video. I'm always happy to have everyone here. So today I'm feeling okay. I am hungry. I'm gonna fix a very, very simple meal. It's so simple, I'm not even going to videotape the actual cooking of it, because all I'm using is the already cooked raviolis that you find in the refrigerator cases in your grocery store, usually in the deli area. So I'm using the sausage and cheese kind. You can use any kind that you want. I'm using Rao's marinara sauce. And all I'm doing is cooking the pasta for about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to throw it in a single serving size dish, top it with the marinara sauce, put some cheese on it, and throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes. So I hope you all enjoy this recipe. So just sit back, relax, and let me do the cooking. Let's get in the kitchen. And you will be seeing the finished dish right about now. Alright guys, look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. All this is about 6 or 7 of the pre-made refrigerated raviolis that you can get in the store. You can use any kind that you want. They have all different kinds. And let me see if I can spoon underneath the cheese there. So look at those raviolis nestled all in under that cheese. So all I did was cook the raviolis about maybe 6 or 7 minutes till they float up to the top, and I layered it in my dish. The sauce I used is just Rao's marinated sauce. I usually don't get that brand because it's very expensive, but Kroger had it on sale. They were like 2 for $5. They were really super cheap. And I was watching a Paula Deen video, and she said that is her absolute favorite sauce to use. So if it's good enough for Paula Deen, it's good enough for me. So we're going to let this cool another minute, and then we'll spin you guys around, and I will give this a taste. Alright guys, I got my pot holder on because my dish still feels like it's pretty hot, so I'm going to carefully pick my dish up. Again, I got my dish of yummy looking sausage ravioli and marinara sauce. The other night after the live show, I was able to eat a whole cup of macaroni and cheese. So I am really, part of my reach, guys. I am really looking forward to being able to actually eat this. It's still bubbling hot. I went to get a bite of the ravioli here, so you guys can see inside there. It's all stuffed with sausage and cheese. I get a little bit of cheese from the top here. Alright, here goes my bite. Burns. Just the right amount of sausage. It's cooked perfectly because I cooked it, like I said, about 5 or 6 minutes. That was my timer letting me know that I let it sit long enough to eat. I am so happy with that. No, I'm not going to drop my spoon because that's really hot and I don't want to splash it all over me. But, woo! Here comes the happy dance. Woo! I am so excited to eat this. I think I'm going to put a good movie on. This meal definitely gets 2 thumbs up. And like I said, I just made like 7 or 8 of them. It was just enough for a meal. And the rest of the bag I put a clip on and put back in the refrigerator so that I could make this again with maybe a different kind of sauce. So I would tell you guys to absolutely try those pre-made raviolis. There is no shame in cutting corners, especially if you are a busy parent or if you're just sick and don't have the energy. Look at those raviolis. You didn't have to stuff them. Didn't have to fold them. Didn't have to do anything except boil them for a couple minutes. And then I put a little bit of sauce on the bottom of the dish so that they wouldn't stick to my dish. And then put the cooked raviolis in the dish, poured some more sauce over it, put the cheese on, put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Because everything was cooked at that point. This is going to make me so happy. This is the first real food except for the little cup of macaroni and cheese that I've had since last Tuesday. So right now I feel like I could cry. That tastes so good. I think part of what was making me so sick was the liquid morphine, so I haven't taken any of that since last night. I took some right before I went to bed, and it just instantly soured my stomach, and I was fine up until then, so that told me that the liquid morphine is doing it, so I'm not going to take that unless I absolutely cannot stand the pain anymore. I know my kidneys not been functioning at all today or last night. There's nothing in my urine bag today. I can tell that it's not working because my back is a little on the sore side. But I'm gonna enjoy this meal so much. So, thank you for spending this little bit of time in the kitchen with me today. I am just going to really enjoy the days that I feel good enough to cook simple meals like this and enjoy it while I can. So I hope you all are having a great week. It was so nice to spend time with you guys on the live stream. I will keep doing those as long as I possibly can. So I will end this by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye!